Alright, I was just kidding about being done. I forgot I had one more that I wanted to show you. There's a little bit of a different kind. If I have 3x to the fourth minus 6x to the third plus 6x squared plus 3x minus 30, and then it might say something like x equals 2. What this means is that instead of setting this equal to 0, you already know what it is, so you just put the 2 in the box. This being in standard form, I can just write my coefficient line and see how I brought down all my negatives. So then we can just do this real quick. 3 times 2 is 6, add down 0. 0 times 2 is 0, add down 6. 6 times 2 is 12, add down, we get 15. 15 times 2 is 30, adding down we get 0. So we need to say that this is a factor. But in order to say that it's a factor, we need the x and the 2 on the same side. So if I have x equals 2, how can I make 2 go over there? Well, subtract it. So x minus 2 equals 0. So we say x minus 2 is a factor. And then we can write our answer as well. So this was x to the fourth. What will this be? I hope you know it's going to be x to the third. I have no x squared term, 6x plus 15. And I can write that as that is the answer, or I can write it as a product with my factor to write a simpler version of the original polynomial I had. So make sure you're reading the directions to find out if it's wanting you to tell if it's a factor or not, and if it wants you to write just the answer or the answer as a product of or if it wants you to write the product.